Good morning, students. Today, we will explore some more tools of the computer so that we not only simplify our work but also be quick enough to be on time. So, let's begin with our topic, that is Task Manager. Today, you will be studying about Task Manager, ways to open Task Manager, magnifier. So, first we will start with Task Manager. Task Manager is a window feature that provides details about programs and the process running on your computer. Task managers are used to review which applications and the background processes are running, as well as to stop an app that is not responding. It may happen sometimes that after a few minutes, your app does not work and it shows not responding. So, using this task manager, how you will stop it or how can you close it, that we are going to learn. So, basically, it can be said that Task Manager is a utility program that reports the status of the running programs. Bringing a task manager is not much of a task itself, but it always fun knowing different ways of doing things. And some of them might even come in handy if you can't open task manager the way you are used to. So let's learn what are the different ways through which you can open the task manager. The first way is to press Ctrl Alt Delete. You're probably familiar with the three finger salute. Ctrl Alt Delete. Up until Windows Vista are released, pressing Ctrl Alt Delete brought you directly to Task Manager. Since Windows Vista, pressing Ctrl Alt Delete now bring you to the Windows Security screen, which provide option for locking your PC, switching users, signing out, and running Task Manager. The second way is to press Ctrl Shift Escape. The quickest way to bring up Task Manager. Assuming your keyboard working is to just press Ctrl Shift Escape. As a bonus, this offers a quick way to bring up the Task Manager while using remote desktop or working inside a virtual machine. Press Window X to access the Power User menu. Windows 8 and Windows 10 both feature a power menu that you can access by pressing Window plus X. The menu feature quick access to all kinds of utilities, including your task manager. The other option is to do just right click the taskbar. If you prefer a mouse to keyboard, one of the fastest way to bring up the task manager is to right click on any open space on your taskbar and choose the task manager. Just two clicks and you're there. And the best option is to just go to the run dialog box and type taskmgr.exe. Let's practically perform to check some of these commands. So the best one, we will go to the run dialog box and we will type taskmgr.exe and you will press OK. As you can can see on my screen, you can see the various programs or the background processes that are running on my system. Window Explorer, Task Manager, Microsoft PowerPoint, Google, and whatever the usage they are utilizing, that also is displayed over here, which can be easily listed out. So now let's see how you can end a task. All you have to do is to select the desired tab. The application tab lists all the visible programs currently running. The process tab lists out all the executable tabs that are running currently on both the application and the background. Highlight the appropriate task or the process and then click end task or end process respectively. So now let's see how this actually works. So for example, if I want to open, I have opened Excel file. As you can see over here, it will be displayed on my task manager. So if I want to close it from here, all I have to do is to just click on this, do a right click, and then a list will appear. In that drop down list, click on end task. Your Excel file will automatically be closed. Isn't it an easy way to do it? Now let's check out one more time. If I have opened my Word document, so as you can see, as soon as my Word document open up, the task manager can list out the Word document, which is displayed over here. So it can be directly by clicking on, by doing a right click, you just have to click on end task. My one Microsoft file has minimized and it is closed. Now if I want to suspend the other, I can do it in the same way. So this is how your task manager works. So all you have to do is to select the desired tab either from the application or the process tab and highlight the appropriate task, and then either you can click on the end task or the end process respectively. Now next we are going to study about magnifier. A screen magnifier is a software that interfaces with computers' graphical output to present enlarged screen content. It may happen that sometimes you're not able to read out what is written on the desktop screen. So in that case, you can use the magnifier. Magnifier tool enlarges the font, images, or the app on your computer screen. If the type is too small on your computer screen or the smartphone, even the operating system has a magnifier tool to help you zoom in for the readability. Now let's see what are the ways to open the magnifier. Using a keyboard shortcut, just press Window and plus together. You can quickly open the magnifier by simply pressing the window key and the plus sign together on your keyboard. And next one is the best way, using the search box. Click on the search box on the left hand side of the window taskbar and then type magnifier. The magnifier will open up. The next way is from the start menu. And the last one is using the front dialog box. Now let's see how you can open it up. So I will go to the search tab. I will type magnifier, and as you can see, it is listed out over here. I'll click on open, and a magnifier will appear over here, as you can see on my desktop screen. I can zoom out and zoom in as per my wish. And I can scroll it, and I can see whatever has written using your mouse. I can scroll up and down, and if I want to zoom out, I have to click over here. And to just end it, you just have to click on close button. So now you know about what is Task Manager, what are the different ways you can open the Task Manager, how you can end the application directly from the Task Manager if some of the applications are not responding, and then you have studied about magnifier and how you can open the magnifier and how it can be used for us. So now keep practicing and keep doing. As it says, practice makes a man perfect. So master yourself in it. Bye everyone, and have a great and a safe day.